Are you using the word very too often? Today, you'll learn 20 better English words that will make your English sound more natural and impressive. Let's begin. 1. Very happy, delighted. I am delighted to see you. I am delighted to see you. 2. Very big, huge. This house is huge. This house is huge. 3. Very small, tiny. The baby is tiny. The baby is tiny. 4. Very good. Excellent. You did an excellent job. You did an excellent job. 5. Very bad. Awful. The weather is awful today. The weather is awful today. 6. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. She looks gorgeous. She looks gorgeous. 7. Very smart. Brilliant. He is a brilliant student. He is a brilliant student. 8. Very tired. Exhausted. I'm exhausted after work. I'm exhausted after work. 9. Very cold. Freezing. It's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. 10. Very hot. Boiling. It's boiling today. It's boiling today. 11. Very clean. Spotless. The room is spotless. The room is spotless. 12. Very dirty. Filthy. My shoes are filthy. My shoes are filthy. 13. Very funny. Hilarious. That movie is hilarious. That movie is hilarious. 14. Very hungry. Starving. I'm starving. I'm starving. 15. Very scared. Terrified. She was terrified. She was terrified. 16. Very fast. Rapid. The train is rapid. The train is rapid. 17. Very slow. Sluggish. Traffic is sluggish today. Traffic is sluggish today. 18. Very rich. Wealthy. He is a wealthy businessman. He is a wealthy businessman. 19. Very poor. Needy. They help needy families. They help needy families. 20. Very easy. Effortless. This exercise is effortless. This exercise is effortless. Great job! Now you know 20 powerful English words to replace very. Practice them every day and make your English sound more natural. Don't forget to subscribe to English Boost for daily English lessons. See you in the next video.